Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be making a chai pumpkin latte. I will leave the link where I got this recipe down in the description below because I know that you're going to want to make this. I haven't had it yet, the recipe I'm making, but I've had one before. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I don't buy coffee like outside my house. I am not one of those people who wants to go to Starbucks or Moxie Java or Dutch Bros or any place like that. I don't know. That's never really been my thing. But I usually go once or twice a year and get one that's seasonal. This past weekend, I got a pumpkin chai latte with white chocolate added to it. And it was a little bit too sweet, so I'm super excited to try this one to see, how they compare. And really, honestly, I want to make this at home because I just like having coffee at home. It's just, I don't know, I'd rather just make it and be able to have it whenever I want. So throughout this video, I'm just going to show you the process of how it's done. And then at the end, I'll give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first drink, first bite. So if you want to see how this latte turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So first I got going on making my tea. So I just got a half a cup of boiling water and put 2 chai vanilla tea bags in there and let it steep for about 5 minutes. You really want to make sure that this is strong. It'll need to be way darker than it is right here. Just a heads up. Next, I just got my steaming hot almond milk, unsweetened vanilla, and then added in 2 tablespoons of pumpkin, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and some ginger, cloves, cinnamon, and freshly ground nutmeg, and mix that with my little immersion blender. You can also just use a regular blender, or you could just not. And then I added my tea to it and mixed it all together. Made sure it got nice and frothy. That's my favorite part. And then poured it in my humongous mug, and sprinkled it with cinnamon, and that's it. Alrighty guys, that was pretty quick and easy, so I'm just gonna give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first drink, first taste. Lot of pumpkin. Okay, I apparently did not steep my tea long enough because I don't get a lot of the chai flavor. I really get a lot of pumpkin, spices, like the milk kind of flavor-ish, but the tea element is not really there. I kind of had a feeling, honestly, when I was steeping it that I just didn't let it steep long enough. I think what I would do different is either add more tea bags or, let me think, is it really steep it for like longer than 5 minutes because it's just not very strong. I can kind of guesstimate what it would taste like if the tea was strong enough, and I think that this would be really good. When I go through ratings, I kind of go through like ingredients, cost, ease, taste, all that jazz. I don't just go, if it is pleasurable to my mouth. And I think my only thing about this is like, it's hard for me to recommend something that uses such a little of an ingredient that kind of forces people to have to make something else with it because they use so little. And I have like almost a whole can of pumpkin I will have to find a use for. Either I'll have to freeze it and hope that I feel up for making another pumpkin pie or something. But that's kind of my only thing, just because it's not, I don't know, unless you're making a ton of this, I don't know. But I still gotta rate it a 9 out of 10 because it was really easy. It does taste really good, other than the weak tea flavor, but it's still good. I like this. I think that it's great. And I love that this is so inexpensive, and I love that I know what's in it, and I know that it uses pumpkin. I think that if you're gonna call something pumpkin whatever, it's gotta have the pumpkin in it. But anyway, I think you guys should give this a shot. This is really easy, yummy, and tastes good, which is really what's most important, right? Right? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here and finish this. And thanks guys for watching and hanging out with me today for this episode of RecipesTested. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here, and I will see you guys with my next video. Bye.